Exploring the pop sensation, dive into Katy Perry's musical journey. Ever wondered how a gospel-singing teenager became one of pop music's brightest stars? Let's dive into the incredible journey of Katy Perry. Her transformation from a church singer to a global pop sensation is truly inspiring. Welcome to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the life and career of the phenomenal Katy Perry. Her journey in the music industry is filled with determination, reinvention, and countless chart-topping hits that have left a lasting impact. Katy Perry was born Katherine Elizabeth Hudson on October 25, 1984, in Santa Barbara, California. Growing up in a religious household, she was exposed to gospel music from an early age, which significantly influenced her initial musical endeavors. Raised in a religious household, Katy started her musical journey singing gospel music in church. Her early exposure to spiritual songs shaped her initial style and laid the foundation for her future career in the music industry. In 2001, she released her debut gospel album, Katy Hudson, but it failed to make a significant impact. Despite the lack of commercial success, this experience provided her with valuable lessons and motivated her to pursue a different musical direction. Katy Perry's determination led her to Los Angeles, where she reinvented herself, shedding her gospel roots. She adopted the stage name Katy Perry and began to explore new musical directions, embracing a bold pop rock style that would soon define her career. Her persistence paid off in 2008 when I Kissed a Girl took the music world by storm. The catchy, provocative single quickly climbed the charts, becoming a massive hit. This breakthrough firmly established her as a mainstream pop sensation. With the release of Teenage Dream in 2010, Katy reached new heights. The album produced 5 #1 singles, a feat that tied Michael Jackson's record. Each song showcased her versatility and ability to craft infectious, memorable pop anthems. Katy Perry's catalog of hits is impressive. Songs like Firework and Roar resonate with fans across generations, blending empowering messages with unforgettable melodies. Her music often carries themes of self-empowerment and resilience, striking a chord with listeners worldwide. Her music videos are a visual feast, setting a high bar in the industry. The vibrant and imaginative video for California Girls is a prime example, featuring candy-coated dreamscapes and whimsical elements that perfectly complement her playful, larger-than-life persona. In 2013, Katy Perry released Prism, an album that showcased her growth as an artist. The album featured hits like Dark Horse and Roar, reflecting her evolving musical style and a deeper, more introspective approach to her songwriting. Witness arrived in 2017, bringing a fresh sound and more personal touch to Katy Perry's music. The album delved into themes of self-awareness and empowerment, resonating with fans who appreciated her willingness to explore new artistic directions. Katy Perry's latest album, Smile, is a testament to resilience and joy. Released in 2020, the album features tracks that uplift and inspire, capturing her journey through life's ups and downs while maintaining an infectious energy and optimism. Throughout her career, Katy Perry has drawn inspiration from a variety of artists. She cites Queen, Alanis Morissette, and Freddie Mercury as significant influences, blending their styles into her unique sound that resonates with a broad audience. Katy Perry's talent has earned her numerous awards and honors over the years. She has received multiple American Music Awards and Billboard Music Awards, solidifying her status as one of pop music's most celebrated and influential artists. Katy Perry's philanthropic efforts highlight her compassionate nature. She actively supports LGBTQ+ rights, advocating for equality and acceptance. Her involvement with organizations like UNICEF and her own Firework Foundation demonstrates her dedication to children's education and well-being, making a significant impact. Bold and colorful, Katy Perry is a fashion icon. Her distinctive style includes whimsical costumes and vibrant outfits. Each appearance, whether on stage or the red carpet, showcases her unique fashion sense. She continually pushes creative boundaries, inspiring fans and fashion enthusiasts alike. Katy Perry's live performances captivate audiences with their electrifying energy. Known for her elaborate stage setups and dynamic choreography, she creates unforgettable experiences. Her concerts are a feast for the senses, blending visual spectacle with powerful vocal performances that leave fans in awe. The 2015 Super Bowl halftime show remains one of Katy Perry's most memorable performances. Drawing one of the largest audiences in history, her show featured iconic moments like the left shark phenomenon. It cemented her status as a top-tier entertainer and cultural phenomenon. As a judge on American Idol, Katy Perry brings her industry expertise to aspiring singers. Her constructive feedback and encouraging mentorship help shape the next generation of talent. Her presence on the show adds credibility and excitement, making it a must-watch for music enthusiasts. Katy Perry's songwriting talent is a cornerstone of her success. She co-writes most of her hits, blending personal experiences with catchy melodies. This skill has not only elevated her career, but also influenced pop music's landscape, showcasing her versatility and creativity. Beyond her artistic achievements, Katy Perry's cultural impact is profound. She has become a symbol of empowerment, using her platform to champion causes like LGBTQ+ rights and mental health awareness. Her influence extends far beyond music, inspiring millions worldwide. Katy Cats, her dedicated fan base, are a testament to her widespread appeal. They are known for their unwavering loyalty and passion for her music and message. This strong connection with her fans has been a key factor in her enduring success. Katy Perry's personal life often captures public interest. Her relationships, including a high-profile marriage to Russell Brand and engagement to Orlando Bloom, have been widely covered. These experiences add depth to her public persona, making her even more relatable to fans. Embracing motherhood in 2020, Katy welcomed her daughter Daisy Dove Bloom. Balancing her career with parenting, she continues to inspire with her resilience and joy. This new chapter adds another layer to her multifaceted life, resonating deeply with her audience. Katy Perry's vibrant personality shines through in her quirky ventures, including her fragrance line, Her and Meow. These perfumes mirror her playful spirit and creativity, adding another layer to her multifaceted persona, endearing her more to fans. Behind the scenes, Katy's albums come to life through meticulous planning and creativity. She collaborates with top producers and songwriters, ensuring every track resonates. Her dedication and passion for her craft are evident in every note and lyric. Katy's social media presence is a testament to her connection with fans. With millions of followers, she shares glimpses of her life, updates on her music, and personal insights, creating a genuine bond with her audience worldwide. Katy Perry's legacy in music is undeniable. With over 2 decades of hits and numerous awards, she has cemented her place as a pop icon. Her influence extends beyond music, making her a cultural and empowering figure. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Katy Perry's world, like, comment, and subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel for more amazing content. Stay tuned for more stories about your favorite artists and their incredible journeys.